Here, somebody get it. Ow, that one hurt. That one hurt. I had my finger turned the wrong direction. Owie, I got blood. Send me out. What's your thing? No, okay, that be nice. Bye. 2 humps, huh? Boy, you need some shin guards on them legs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now come on this side. Come on this side. No. No. Be good. Here, back up. Here. Be good. Be good. Hello. I'm going to do something with the 360 that I hadn't done before here. I'll have the main video that's in 360. You can look at whatever animals and direction you want, just all the directions on how to do it. You probably already know that anyway. And then I'm going to have a separate 360 video of the park area where the tourists go, the kids, and eat and food. And so we might even eat there. Who knows? Remember, I'm already here. Might as well grab something to eat. But you can control the camera, and you can decide what you want to look at. Just follow the directions. Like and subscribe. We need the watch hours. Rudy, anything to add? Okay. He said we need watch hours too, so thank you. I'll see you guys later. Good. Here, somebody get it. Oh, that's my goddamn fingers. No. Stop. Ow, that one hurt. That one hurt. I had my finger turned the wrong direction. Owie, I got blood. Are you trying to protect me? Okay, I appreciate it. Ow. I did. See, I got blood. I got blood. That deserves a like and a subscribe, guys. Come on. Ow. Ooh. Anyway. I wasn't trying to feed him. Here, come here. Thank you. No, that's... I give you one though. Here. Whoop. They told me not to feed you, man. I'm sorry. You're pretty. You're gonna kick that one's butt. How you doing over there, man? Rudy, you okay? Pew, downwind. Pew, downwind. His job is to drive around, drive over the poop and break it up, I guess. That's my thoughts on it. I might see about a Band-Aid. It's not a big deal, but I just want to, I don't have any way to clean it right now. And I want to clean it. So. Hello. No, thank you. The Camels didn't do this last time. No, it's just, he pinched me the wrong way. Come here, Ostrich. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, you're so soft. Look at you. Gotta get you a haircut. Need a good boy. Need a good boy. Yes, you are. Hi. Hello. Are you like literally in my car, aren't you? Hello. Yeah, that's all I got there, bud. Baby zebra. That's a new one. On the left, a baby zebra. Well, hello, sweetie. The mom and the baby one, the little one? Nope. It's cute. You tell mama. Owie. Hello, hello. I don't think I seen all this last time I was here. I did see the giraffe over here, but I didn't see him because he was being fed somewhere else. I'm saving a few carrots for him. And then I'll have it 360 on the inside up here too as well. It's still recording. Thought for sure it would overheat up there in the sun, but it didn't. And I've got to get some new lenses ordered. The camels in front up here are like just the whole length of the ride, man. Petting him on the head, scratching him on the head. Is that cool? And camels have probably followed them all the way home. The camels have been doing that almost the whole tour. I think Camel's in there. The top? Yeah. Oh my goodness, I got to the top. Hello to the sunroof. Hello to the sunroof. All right, wait a minute. One more sunroof. Hello. Oh, quit. Goofball. You don't need to nip at everything that's through the sunroof. That was the first! My first camel in my sunroof. How cool is that? How cool is that? Put the extras in there. There's a lot of pellets in there too. There we go. Do you even eat that thing or do you swallow it whole? Here, want another one? All right, okay. Oh my goodness, here comes the big one. You gotta move, man. Wait a minute. Ow. No. Careful. It's a damn good thing they ain't got teeth, man. It's a damn good thing they ain't got teeth. Whoa. Holy crap. Don't you be pecking, no. Don't you be pecking, man. No. No. What you think, Rudy? Oh, God dang it. Wait a minute. What are you thinking? Good boy. Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Okay, all right. That was cool. That was different. All right. Some of them you can pet, and some of them you don't touch me. I bet they can run fast too. Antelope, gazelle, or something like that. Anybody know what them are? Let me know. It's worth the drive down here if you're close. It's like just under an hour and a half for me. Third time here. Did you need one? No bribery? Okay. All right. Okay. Excuse me. Some of them don't come up to the car because of the dog, and they smell him in the car. Not all of them do that. There's a few of them that do that. Most
What
of
you
them,
thinking, Rudy?
Whoop, 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 whoop. You about got run over there, buddy. You gotta watch that. Here, not big pieces. They're not big pieces. I'm sorry. See, come on, what you touch? No touch. Don't touch my rack. And these here, like that one there, kind of ran away. He might be a newer one in the area, so he's not used to the drive-thru and all this. He's still figuring it out. Check out the 360 video I got going of this also. You can look wherever you want. Maybe you'll see something I don't see. Like on the right side there, I can't film them. I can't think. I've seen them before. They're tan, black, pointed. I can't think what they are. But this guy in front right now, I think his antlers are supposed to be like that. They're a little bit. Get it? No? You don't want it? Okay. Go, here, this side, this side, this side. Come here. You want this? Here. Here. You don't want carrots? No, be nice. Be nice. Rudy, be nice. Look. Rudy, look. Man, you just like so cool, strapped around here. What you got going on, man? Come here, brother. What's up? Oh, what is the deal with your nose, man? What do you got on? You got like, what are these scent things on the side of your head? Come here. Those are like cool. Whatever. I don't know what they are. He's got two little scent things on the side of his head. You're cool. Yes, you are. That was weird. It's like he's got a nose and he's got two other things up here that he. If anybody got any idea, let me know. Let your window down just a little bit more there, buddy. As far as watering and feeding them, besides hay, I don't think you have to. I don't know if they have to actually feed them, since they have drive-thru people coming through here and feeding them all the time. But I'm sure they got to supplement their diet somehow besides carrot and the little round, real hard pellets. The pellets, a lot of them have trouble eating. I sit there and do that for a while. But got a couple cars, 2 or 3 cars behind me. There is a old gin mill I was trying to get drone footage of earlier. That's why I got here about a half hour early, because I wasn't able to get it. I had SD card problems. And I've got that fixed, so I don't know if I will go back and get that again or what. Probably not, because it had a lot of overgrowth. If a person could walk back in there, maybe, I don't know. But it says no trespassing. They have hay rides you can get, like the one in front there. And I think there's a little bitty ostriches. The ostriches are cuter than shit, though. He's running around with the carrot in his mouth. Carrot's bigger than he is. I don't know why they got a white ostrich. I don't understand that. Just like push the baby out the way. Here. There you go. I emptied that one. Alright, that bucket's empty. Those go quite a ways. The pellet things don't go very far. This guy did about the size of my thumb. About that long or longer, some of them. Hello there. Alright. You're patient. You followed me. It's okay. Oh my goodness. I don't see like a water supply out here. And I don't know if they mow this every so often or they just don't mess with it. I don't know. I haven't been here late in the summer, I don't believe. But see, that's a heating barn there to keep them warm. Are you an ostrich? Ow, would you like to keep my fingers in your mouth? Wait. Looky, Rudy. Look at that giraffe. Look at that giraffe, Rudy. Rudy, over here. Rudy. Here. Rudy. Said, Dad, I ain't paying no attention. You just ignored him. You ain't paying no attention, are you? He's thinking, Dad, this is torture. I can't chase them. Well, I don't know if I want to chase them. They're awful big, Dad. I don't know what am I supposed to do, Dad? I don't know. So, this is by far the best park I've been to. I have been to a couple other ones up by Fayetteville. I can't think of the name of them. I do have videos on them. Except for one of them, they wouldn't let me in because of him. And if I'd known that, I wouldn't even drove there. It was like a half hour, 45 minutes away. Might have been Mooresville, South Carolina, North Carolina. But they wouldn't let me in. I pleaded and I said, well, he's been to other ones. They wouldn't let me in. So keep your money. Where are they going to? I guess I go this way, right? I guess I'm supposed to go this way. I don't know. We will see. I don't see anything here at the moment, so I'm going to shut this off and I'll be right back.